actually, we're just given like different
Bullet points lang, parang
and
talk
shows,
points.
and then okay, after each parang segment, we're given like magbanter kayo dyan. We're given the chance to banter about kung ano yung feature. Because see, Let's Drink to That is like a show filled with good vibes. Because parang, and I was thinking of a show or a content for the JSM channel. Sabi ko, because I just want something na parang shows that would celebrate victories, even the small ones. And sometimes kasi, diba, we're just parang flooded or minsan with mga news na sometimes heartbreaking. And I want to be able to have a news channel na mag-broadcast ng puro good vibes lang. We just want people's faith in humanity to be restored. And for them to realize that there is, something to celebrate every day, diba? There's a reason.
Diba the victories every day? Meron yan.
Oo, so, yun. So, gusto lang natin ibalik sa kanila yon. Iba't ibang storya to ng mga tao, even storya ng mga pets, name it. Basta, anything that will like make you smile and make you feel good, and at the end of the day, yung marirealize mo, okay, may mga maganda pa rin nangyayari. And syempre, diba, parang when you celebrate, you either say cheers or you say, let's drink to that!
Galing! Galing, Jody. And then the other one is Live Light.
Yes, Live Light. The Live Light naman was actually the very first show that's been conceptualized for the JSM channel. It's really just like a platform for me to like share my heart, my learnings, my experiences, and not only that, to be able to learn from other people as well through their comments, kasi may mga comment sections or sometimes letters, ganyan. And not only that, because si Live Light also has a Facebook page that can serve as a community group or a support group for a lot of people. So it is a safe space. And bukod doon, we also have like mga subject matter experts who will give their insights on certain topics. Because ayaw naman natin magmukhang bida-bida doon, di ba, na alam mo lahat, no. But then, of course, we need the help of like experts, di ba, to explain more and guide us with, with whatever topic is being discussed.
Correct. Kasi minsan makaka-encounter ka ng sensitive topics.
Yes.
Diba?
And there are actually sensitive topics. There are like, hindi ko masasabihin na taboo, but then difficult topics.
Right.
But they are very essential. They're very like, it's so important to talk about them. Alam kong hindi tayo lahat magkakasundo-sundo sa pagdating sa perspective natin sa mga topics. But then, we're just hoping to be open.
Right.
Diba? We're just asking for an open heart and an open mind, diba? To receive what's there. And then if you don't agree, then you don't. Then if you do, then good for you. Or maybe you're just looking for a different perspective on a particular matter, then maybe the show can help you with that.
Ganda! Pero I have a question. The JSM channel, aside from it being your initials, meron bang ibig sabihin yun?
JSM would mean journey, stories, and more. Because I've always believed that life is a journey. And what's beautiful about the journey is that is where you experience sometimes the most heartbreaking, but then the most beautiful lessons. Diba sabi nga nila, it's not really about the destination, but the journey. And I believe that we are all in a journey. We're all traversing life. And all of us, we have stories to tell. I have a story, you have a story, and we have, a collective story. So that's also what we want to showcase in the JSM channel. And then there's more, because meron pang madadagdag.
Na shows.
Na shows. Yes, that's true. So sabi ko nga, this is just the first 3 shows.
Okay.
But then later on, we'll be adding more.
Yan! And also I noticed, Evolve, Inspire, Explore, right under your logo.
Yeah.
Anong ibig sabihin yan?
We're actually thinking of what do we stand for? I mean, what does this channel stand for? And I think, sabi ko, these three words would perfectly describe the JSM channel. And evolution is really important, diba? In personal growth and building our resilience, diba? Para we'd be more strong in terms of challenges. We can't get stuck. So we have to keep on transforming and evolving, diba? As human beings. And I think that evolution would also speak of my journey as a person because I believe na ang dami ko na rin pinagdaanan. I mean, ang dami ng evolution na nangyari sa akin, not only with my life, but also sa career ko. And now, this is another one. So, evolve, this in there, and then inspire, because that's what we intend to do. It's what we aim to do, is to inspire people. And number 3 is to explore. With exploration comes discovery. So we would like not only to explore via travel, but then explore life itself. So that's why yung 3 words nandoon.
Alam mo, nakikinig lang ako sa'yo, pinapakinggan lang kita, parang ang nasa isip ko, why do you have to do this? I mean, pwede ka naman ng kumuha ulit ng another project in TV or in movie or travel, gaya nga ng passion mo. But why? Anong meron sa project na to that's so close to your heart that you really have to materialize it?
I think number 1 is like what I said. I'm sharing with people my passions. Number 2, I think na parang whatever you learn, diba, it doesn't end with you. Parang life is all about sharing. Diba, parang we are a channel. Kumbaga, whatever learnings we learn or encounter, dumadaan lang sa atin yan. And then, it becomes a message to other people. And I think parang in a world na sometimes filled with toxicity and negativity, I just like want this channel to become a sort of, a beacon of hope, or maybe light. Yeah, I think yun yung purpose why I did the JSM channel.
Na saka, you know what I think? Aside from your legacy at work, I think you're planting seeds on this channel. Not for your body of work, but for other people. Parang feeling ko yun yung ginagawa mo. Feeling ko yun yung magandang may iwan mo sa amin lahat. I know it's fast-forward thinking, but I can already feel it. Na parang amidst the chaos and the noise, especially online, there's this JSM channel that's just purely fun, inspiration, hope, and love.
Yes. And I think na parang just do for one what you can't do for all. So kung merong isang buhay ka na na-inspire, na bago, or na-push because of what they've seen sa channel, then I think na-serve ko yung purpose ko.
Galing! Ang galing! Grabe! Okay, we're just getting started. Isa-isahin natin. I know you already touched a bit of the shows. Okay, Love Light, may guests ba dito? Or it's just purely you and then the other centers? Paano?
With Live Light, it's just going to be me, and then there's, of course, we will delve into different topics, and then we have a subject matter expert na laging nagiging present whenever a topic is discussed.
Okay. For travel and tours, ano ba yan? International ba yan? Parang agency talaga no? International ba to, Jody, or pwedeng local din?
For now, we are really exploring yung mga cities natin locally.
Okay. Oo, kasi minsan may mga, tama ka nga doon undiscovered.
You know what, diba? MJ? Because isang realization for me, parang, okay, travel ako ng travel, labas ako ng labas, and yet, yung mga cities na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas, nami-miss out ko. So with JSM Travel and Tours, ako yung natututo, ako yung nagugulat na, OMG, I thought itong place na to ay ganito lang. Pero pag nandun ka, it has so much to offer.
Right, kasi well, through your channel, mati-discover na namin yun. Okay, etong next segment natin, meron tayong makakakwentuhan on stage kasi pag-uusapan na natin yung Let's Drink to That. Alright, let's call in ang nagpa-viral